Today we are making Easter bunnies. You will need hot glue, yarn, and a 2-inch and a 4-inch cardboard, felt googly eyes, and pom-poms. Next, get your 2-inch cardboard and your yarn and start wrapping it around top to the bottom. When it's all wrapped up, carefully take it off. It is really hard to get it off, and I'm not joking. There we go. Then wrap it tight. Pull it really tight and do a knot. Get your scissors and start cutting right here. Try and get it. Once you have the head, then let's make the body. Oh, once you have your body, take it off, then make a knot. And if you have a dog brush, you can make it fluffy. Next, draw the ears and cut them out. When you're all done cutting them out, hot glue it down. But be careful. Then it's time to add your accessories, the eyes, and the nose, and the tail. What does the bunny say? What does the bunny say? What does the bunny say? What does the bunny say?